she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no lover.
So it's almost done.
I'm like bad B, señorita.
Why is he using my ingredients and there's no more for the actual recipe?
On my
Here, put the mix. I'll just put the
with a Jesus,
all over the flesh side of the salmon, including over the...
I think I have all of them laid out basically.
I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la.
It says welcome to my channel. See that, George? Welcome to my channel. Welcome. You are welcome. Let's be honest, I've been sleeping, Netflixing during a lot of this quarantine, and I thought for these days when I was productive, let me just show you guys. Peace. Subscribe, like, comment. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
I told you.
Right. Professional. Okay. So mom was saying that is it gonna go straight from green to white? It's gonna go straight from green to white?
3 coats. I need 3 coats.
Are you okay?
Nothing. Oh, you think I'm bluffing when I say no coffee. Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no lover. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna.
Once upon a time there was a green roll. I wanna get the moolah la. Any requests for songs?
No songs, nigga.
I'm a DJ. The song is cute.
Sounds gonna be beautiful. And I put the blinds up today.
I want you to know that.
Yeah.
It'll be nice. So it's almost done. I can't wait till it's done, but as you can see, the room looks more white. This whole room was green and it's looking a lot more white than it was before. It's just paint everywhere, to be honest. So I'm about to switch to the cooking section. This was about 2 weeks ago. My hair was actually long before I cut it. And thank you to DL Denaro for letting me use his song for the next part. It's not yet out yet, but I think it's more calm than I wanna get the moolah la, moolah la. That was a bit too like rowdy for that section.
drowned on it. Keep the eye on the money, on the money. Keep your eye on the money. I only roll with gang, that's the real riders. Test 1, 2, I can't hit like yours. Bagman crew with a big swipers.
So today I'm going to try and cook something that I saw on the Black Chef ZW's Instagram. So I just went on Instagram and I follow the Black Chef ZW, so I just wanted to cook this seared salmon he made last time on his story, and his page is really cool. It looked easy to make, it's just that everybody kept using my ingredients. He called it seared salmon. So I'm just gonna get ready, you know, for this. Nothing too extra. I'm going to look at the ingredients that he has. He's got salmon, mushroom, fennel, spinach, baby carrots, chopped tomatoes. Someone stole my chopped tomatoes. So yesterday I tried to do the video, but my dad had actually used up my ingredients. Today is a different day and I want to try this cooking thing.
I'm like bad B, señorita. On my beat up, roll out with a G's up, cause I'm G'd up. Touch me, they can't touch me when I'm done.
He's done it again, and now again he stole my mushroom. I'll film it again when I have mushrooms again and then upload this. I'm so annoyed, like look at me, like why is he using my ingredients and there's no more for the actual recipe for the video? I'm a big girl, I'm gonna cry about this. I'm just gonna cook a basic feed meal for them. Just gonna put, you know, spaghetti and meatballs. That's all they get in. Carrots, onions, peppers, you know, spinach. This is all the stuff, the good stuff for that recipe. Might even add this lemon as well, why not? Being a chef is hard. Being a chef is very hard. There's people in your house stealing all your ingredients. It is very difficult. Here I've got the mince inside, just chilling. I've just put the carrots in. They take some time to cook, so I'm just gonna cook alongside these little meatball babies. Gonna add some pepper, Italian herbs. Next, I'm just putting in everything else: the onions, the peppers, and that thing that I still don't know what it is. There. The meatballs are still cooking anyway, but soggy, the onions need frying too. I'm gonna get the pasta ready now because the water's just boiled. I forgot I was doing a video thing. I fried all the onions and the tomatoes and everything, and then I just put in this sauce. I've just put this dormio sauce inside, literally. And I also added some baby spinach, so I'm just gonna let that simmer. It's a really quick meal. It takes like, what, 20 minutes or less? So they're not getting any fancy today. They're just getting basic spaghetti with meatballs. Yeah, that's it. I can't be bothered. I was about to cook without recording and I was like, just do it. Just have all the ingredients laid out, and I think I have all of them laid out basically. We've got the salmon, the dill, oranges, lemons, onions, carrots, mushrooms, fennel, spinach, bay leaf, seasoning, tomatoes, and some salt. So yes, and the pasta, yeah, we're gonna get that later, but let's see how far we can get in this recipe. I'm also watching a movie at the same time. Next is oil, and he's frying the mushrooms. So we're gonna fry these mushrooms. It's not the same as his, but hey.
So we're gonna throw in, we've got some shimeji mushroom.
Doesn't matter. Putting the mushrooms in, which is the first step in his one. Come on, come on. Okay, let that fry a little.
So I've gone in and added seasoning.
I'm now putting in the chopped tomatoes. Frying these ingredients like it says. Okay, so next I'm going to put in the beef stock like he said, a little bit. Because there's a lot of us, so I've got a little bit more.
Cooks real fast, so it's going to come down in a bit of a second.
And then we've got some baby spinach. I'm putting a lot because people in this house don't eat vegetables. So the only chance they're actually going to get to eat vegetables. Literally, all of it, I don't care. Now let me try to...
And I'm going to just put those skin side down.
I made the mistake of putting it the wrong way around, so I'm going to maybe flip it over. Let me try to do that. Because he thought it the other way around, and I'm doing it the wrong way around. I'm going to try to put it back the way it was.
So I'm spooning that all over the flesh side of the salmon.
We're just going to put the... Oh, I just got burnt by oil. Okay. We're just going to put the oil over the dill. You know, just like the video you're watching.
You want to toss in your orange.
Just put these oranges inside. It's so weird to think I'm cooking with oranges. I don't know. And I've got some pasta there. And the oranges. I've never cooked with oranges. It's so freaking weird, but we'll see how the taste goes. And they are like, you know... Yes, we have done it. This is the hardest thing. I've actually tried once, twice, and the third time. The third time it was good. Look at this. We've got the salmon de fromage avec the noodles. I've also used some of the orange le courant, and I hope you really see how the spinache, yeah, it just really brings out everything. I'm a chef. This one meal.